How to fix no audio output device is installed error on Windows 11. Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix it step by step so you can get your audio working again. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any crucial information. All right, let's jump right in. First, look for the Windows icon on your taskbar, usually in the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and right-click on it. A little menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Device Manager. Now that Device Manager is open, we're going to look for a section labeled Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. You might need to scroll down a little to find it. Once you do, click the arrow next to it to expand the category. This will reveal all the audio drivers currently installed on your system. What you're looking for here is something like High Definition Audio Device. Once you spot it, right-click on it and choose Update Driver. A new window will pop up. From here, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. On the next screen, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You'll now see a list of compatible audio drivers. Make sure to select High Definition Audio. This is one of the most commonly supported and stable drivers. After selecting it, click Next and your PC will begin installing the driver. Once the installation finishes, go ahead and close out of the window. Now here's an important step. If you see more than one audio driver listed under the same category, like another Realtek entry or maybe a different one entirely, it's a good idea to repeat this same process for those drivers too. Updating all related audio drivers can help prevent future conflicts. All right, after updating the drivers, it's time to restart your computer. Just click on the Start button, go to Power, and select Restart. Once your system boots back up, check the bottom right corner of your screen where the speaker icon is. If everything went well, you should no longer see the error. Your audio devices should now be fully recognized and working in Windows 11. And that's how you can fix no audio output devices installed error on Windows 11. You're good to go. If this video helped you fix the problem, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.